Hare Krishna. Question from Vidya Kotwani Mataji. Can we attain a level of devotion where whatever Krishna does, we won't be able to stop loving him? This question is based on a Gita Daily article that we may fall down, but we don't have to fall away, where the point was made that we cannot do anything that will stop Krishna from loving us. So the question is, can it happen that whatever Krishna does, we won't stop loving him? Yes, that is definitely possible. In fact, that is what the gopis of Vrindavan exemplify. From the external material point of view, the gopis gave up everything for Krishna. They gave up their families, they gave up their chastity, they gave up their everything for Krishna, and then Krishna gave them up entirely. From a material point of view, you could say that if there is a love between a boy and a girl, and the girl gives up everything for the boy, and then the boy gives up the girl and goes away, that would be considered to be the greatest betrayal. And did Krishna do that to them? No. Actually, Krishna raised their love to a still higher level, because love in separation is purer, sweeter, far more intense than love in union. And Krishna allowed the gopis to experience that supreme love. And of course, the Padma Purana, Vishnu Purana also described that. Vishnu Purana especially described that Krishna did come back and he reunited with the gopis and took them all back to the spiritual world. But the point is, the gopis do demonstrate a love for Krishna where no matter whatever happens, the devotee never stops loving Krishna. And that is also what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is aspiring for in the Shikshashtakam. Ashtishyava padaratam pinashtumam Adarshanam marmahatam karotu va yatha tatha va vidadhatu lampato mat prananathastu saevana paraha. My dear Lord, you may embrace me, or you may trample me underfoot, you may make me broken hearted, but still you are my Lord. So now we may not be at this level. When things go wrong in our life, we start doubting Krishna, we start becoming weak in our spiritual life, in our devotional commitment to Krishna. That is natural at our level of conditioning, because we are right now under the modes. But if we keep steadily practicing bhakti, then over a period of time our devotional connection with Krishna will become stronger and stronger. And then no matter what happens, at one stage Krishna will become the supreme reality for us. Right now, the material things are the primary reality and Krishna is like a background reality. But over a period of time, as we become more and more steady in devotional service, we understand that material things are temporary. They will come and they will go. There is just too much hype about material things. But that hype is not really required. And once we understand that the hype is not required, then slowly we become calm. Not too excited about material things. And then Krishna comes in the foreground. When Krishna comes in the foreground of our consciousness, our Krishna connection becomes strong and steady. And then whatever happens at the material level, the connection with Krishna remains strong and steady at the spiritual level. And we come to that level where we stay in love of Krishna at all situations. So we should keep practicing, steadily practicing devotional service. And at our stage, if we feel disturbed, then we have to take a shelter of devotees association and gain strength from their association to understand why things are seeming to be the way they are. And then we learn that Krishna still loves me and keep persevering. And surely we'll come to a level where there will be nothing that can break our love for Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.